Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. In our previous video, we had discussed about page number 88 and page number 87. In our previous video, we discussed about page number 88 and page number 87. Today, we will study about the game on page number 89. Student, this is a game only, so we will do it in the textbook only. Now before starting, I will read the question. The name of the game is meow game. Meow means a sound which is made by a cat. Meow game. To play this game, everyone stands in a circle. One player calls out 1, the next player calls out 2, and so on. So here we are supposed to call the number. But what is the twist in the game is a player who has to call out 3 or a number which can be divided by 3 has to say meow. Means we are supposed to say the table of 3. Wherever the multiples of 3 comes, we are supposed to tell meow instead of the number. One who forgets to say meow is out of the game. The person who forgets to say meow and tells the number, then he is out of the game. The last player left is the winner. Which number did you replace with meow? So numbers, what is the rule of the numbers? We are supposed to tell the number 1, 2 like this. And whenever the 3 or the number which is divisible by 3 means the table of 3, the numbers which comes in the table of 3, on that position we are supposed to tell meow instead of the number. So one who forgets to say meow is out of the game and the last player becomes the winner. So which number do you replace with the meow? So 3, 6, 9, then what will come? 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and goes on, isn't it? So these numbers, on this number, when this number comes, we are supposed to tell meow. If any person forgets to tell meow and speaks the number, then he or she will be out. Isn't it, students? This is the game. If you want to play, you can play with your friends. Now, further we continue. We say these numbers are the multiples of 3. What are these? They are the multiples of 3. Now, for the change, you can also play the game by changing the number to 4. Now, which number did you replace with meow? These numbers are the multiples of 4. If we have 4's multiple, then it will be 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40 and it will go further. So they are the multiples of 4. If we play the table with the number 4, then on these numbers we are supposed to tell meow. Then write any 10 multiples of 5. So we are supposed to, here the question is any 10 multiples of 5 we are supposed to write it down. I will write down here 5, 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. These are the 10 multiples of 5 we have written. Understood, students, this game? This is the meow game. It is simple only. It is only a game only. So write down what I have written in the textbook. Write down this only in the textbook. And if you want to play, you can play this game also. Now we will start with page number 90. Here also a game is there. The name of the game is dice game. Students, we know the dice which we are playing in the Ludo and the snakes and ladder, the dice is there, isn't it? Such type of dice. This game we can play with 2 dice. Throw 2 dice together. In each dice there are 6 faces and there are 6 numbers written on each die. We are supposed to play with the 2 dice. What are the numbers that turns up on the face of the dice? Make a 2-digit number using them. If it is a multiple of any of the number written next to the circle, you can write it in that circle. See students, here circles are also given. If the number which comes is a multiple of the numbers written next to the circle, then you are supposed to write down that number in the circle. You can write it in that circle. Then it is your friend's turn. The one who can write more number in 10 rounds is the winner. Okay students, now I will explain you how to play. Take 2 dice, isn't it? For example, here 2 dice I have thrown. On the top, here is 1 and here it is 4. So which number will be 1 and 4? So what is the number 1 and 4? 14, isn't it? So number I got 14. The next what I have make it 2-digit number using them, it is 40. If it is a multiple of any of the number written next to the circle, now check 14 is a multiple of which number? It is a multiple of which number? It is a multiple of 2 also and it is multiple of 7 also, isn't it? So now let's check whether 2 is written here. No, 7 is written here. So we will write down this number 14 in the circle which is next. The number 7 is here. So we will write down the multiple of 7 in this circle. Okay students. So such way we are supposed to write the number. So we are written in the circle. For example, one more time I will write. If I will throw the dice, I will get 2 and I will again get, let's get 6. 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 I get 26. 26 is a multiple of which number? Has a number 26 is a multiple. Do you remember 26 is a multiple of any number? No, it is not a multiple of any number, isn't it? It is a multiple of 13, but here it is, the number is not there. So we will not write that number. Now can we write a number? For example, I will write down 1 and 8. So it will get 18. For 18 is a multiple of 4. In 4 table of 18 doesn't come, 7 table of 18 doesn't come, 5 table also 18 doesn't come, so 6 table 18 comes. So I will write the number here. Okay students, so this way you are supposed to play the game. 10 times you are supposed to throw the dice and 10 times the total number which you bring, whose total is more, that person will win. Understood students? So this is also the game on page number 90. This also you can play in the textbook only. Here nothing is to be written in this for this game. Just it is for your to understanding only and how you can play the game. I have explained this. I hope you have understood these 2 pages, page number 90 and page number 89. Now students, we will learn new topic of this lesson, that is common multiple and LCM. Common multiple and LCM. Students, LCM means you have studied what do you mean LCM? Least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple. Now students, let's know what do you mean by common multiple. We have studied about multiples. We have done the exercise also to find out the multiples of any number. Now common multiples also we can find out from the multiples only. First one, if I say find out the multiples of 4 and 5. 4 and 5. To find out the multiples of that, first of common multiples, first of all we are supposed to find out the multiples of this number. 4, the multiples of 4, the table of 4. Isn't it, students? 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, and 4 10s are 40. Okay, till 10 I have written the multiples of 4. Now next, the multiples of 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, and 5 10s are 50. Okay, students? So this I have written the multiples of 4 and 5. Now students, we are supposed to find out the common multiples. Means common means the number, the multiple which is there in 4 also and which is there in 5 also. Means the multiple of common multiple which is in both, which is the multiple of 4 also and which is the multiple of 5 also. Now let's find out that. Common multiple. Okay, common multiple of 4 and 5. Now, let's check it out. 4, there is no 8, no 12, no 16, no 20. Yes, in 4, 20 is a multiple of 4 also and 20 is a multiple of 5 also. Let's circle this. The first common multiple is 20. 24 is not there. 28 not there. 32 no. 36 no. 40 yes. 40 is here also and 40 is here also. So till 10 there are two common multiples. One is 20 and 40. Okay. Now students, we will study about LCM, the least common multiple. Least common multiple LCM. These are the both are the common multiples of 4 and 5. Out of this two, which is the smaller one? Least, matlab chota, small. Out of this, which is the least one? It is 20 is the least and a small. So the 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. That is the 20 is the LCM of 4 and 5. Understood, students? This we have find out the LCM by listing the common multiple method. Here we are finding out the LCM by listing the common multiple method, where we are first supposed to list the multiples of the given number, then we are supposed to find out the common multiples, and then from the common multiples we are supposed to find out the least multiple, means LCM. Understood, students? So common multiple of 4 and 5 are 20 and 40, and the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Understood, student? Now I will give you one more example. Now let's take a number 7 and 14. 7 and 14. First of all, we will list the multiples. Start with 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, then 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, and 7 tens are 70. Now let's list the table of 40. students, you all are supposed to learn the tables till 20 तक के tables आपको compulsory learn करने ही है. Then only you can do the calculation fast. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 14 eights are how much, students? 112. 14 eights are 100 sorry 14 eights are 112. 14 nines are how much? 14 nines are, it will be 126. 14 nines are 126 and 14 tens are 140. And 14 tens are 140. Now students, let's find out the common multiples. People of roll number 7 and 14. Common multiples 7, it is not there in 14. 14, it is there here. 14, 21, it is not there. 28, yes, it is not 28 also. 35, it is not there. 42 is here. Here is 42. 49, it is not there. 56. 56 is there. 63 is not there. 70 is 70 also. Isn't it, friends? So the common multiple we have listed till 10. The common multiples of 7 and 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. Isn't it? So they are the common multiples. Now the least multiple means LCM. If you want to find out the LCM of 7 and 14 is from this numbers find out the smallest one, means the least one. Out of this the smallest number is 14. So the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. Understood, students? This way we are supposed to find out the LCM. And we are supposed to list the common multiples. Now friends, we will take three numbers. Three numbers, I will take the three numbers 4, 8, 12. We will find out the common multiples of 4, 8 and 12 and the LCM also. First 4, 4 is 4, then 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Okay. Now multiples of 8. 8 ones are 8, 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are how much? 8 8s are 64, 8 8s are 64 and 8 9s are 72. 8 tens are 8. Now multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 6 are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, and 12 tens are 120. Okay, so 120. Now we will list the common multiples. Multiples of 4, 8 and 12. Now let's list out the common multiples. 4. Now when we are talking about 3 numbers, students, we will find out the common numbers which are there in all the 3 digits. Okay. 4 is not there. 8. Here it is not there. 12. It is here. Here it is not there. 16. No. 20. No. 24. Here also 24. Here is also 21. Here. All the 3 24 is 20. 28. No. 32. Here is there, but here is not there. 36 is here, but here it is not there. Here it is there, but here it is not there. 40. 1, 2, here it is not there. So, till 10 multiples, we find out only one common multiple, which was 24. So, 24 is the common multiple of 4, 8 and 12. And students, here only one multiple is there. That's why this will be only with the least multiple. So, the LCM of 4, 8 and 12 is equals to 24. Understood, students? Okay. So this was about the common multiple. Now I will give you the homework. This will be your question number 3 in your notebook, where you are right. The first question was about the factors, second question was about the multiples, and the third question will be about the common multiples and LCM. The question will be, find the common multiples and LCM of the following. Okay, students, this will be your question, and write down the sums. This you are supposed to solve in your notebook. Second, students, these 3 sums you are supposed to solve in your homework. Here we have solved the common multiples and LCM. 3 sums I have shown you, and the same way you are supposed to do the other 3 sums. Understood, students? So today we studied about the common multiples and LCM. This everything you are supposed to write down in your notebook. In the sums also you are supposed to start in your